Hello guys, welcome back in Git and GitHub video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss about gitignore. May you know this file or you read this keyword before gitignore, enter gitignore. Basically, gitignore is used uh, to ignore some files, folders, or directory to push. Or if we want, for example, if we generate some bunch of files, images file while we are developing for testing purposes, or we generate logs file, especially if you are working in Python. There is a log files, so we want to push these files in our GitHub repository. For this purpose we use this gitignore command or file. Sorry, now I'm going to create a gitignore file. Touch gitignore dot gitignore. Now you can see here we generated dot gitignore file, and here one more file I'm going to generate. Let's say my logs dot log, and now we generate here my logs dot log file, and here let's say some bunch of logs. For example, and now I'm going to close this my logs.log file. And what I have to do if I want to ignore this my logs.log file and I don't want to commit and push this file in my GitHub repository, simple, I have to go in .ignore file, and here I have to pass this file name my logs.log. Just save. If now I check the git status, it's giving us we have only one untracked file, which is gitignore. Now I'm going to add this file. Now it's under track, and let's check the status. What happened? Okay, now it's showing. My computer is little bit slow, I don't know why. It's giving me the command, it's showing me some after some delay. So I have here one new file which is gitignore, and one file is deleted because I didn't commit. That's why it's still the deleted file is showing here, but the new file which I created, my logs.log, it's not appearing here. And now again I'm going to my terminal. First let's make it clear. Here I'm going to make it commit git commit, and I have type here message gitignore file is added. This time I'm just typing here a title, not the message, the description. Here the output here is to file change, and one is insertion. If I check here the status, now we have in our main origin branch or origin main, we have two commits. Let's make it clear. And if I make any changes here in my log file, you can say if I change again, if I check the status, git status, it's nothing show here, no any modification or anything, because we ignore this file. excuse me. Now we want to ignore our media folder or images folder, which we generate, let's say, a lot of images or videos for our testing. I'm going here to create a folder. The name is media, for example. If I check git status, it shows us nothing because it's just a directory, nothing inside here, no any file. And in media, currently I don't have any picture. I'm going to create a new file, test.html. Let's say. Again, if I check the status, it shows the media directory which is untracked. Now I'm going to make here some code. Let's say I write here some HTML code. Again, if I check the status, it's give us we have a untracked media directory. Now I'm going to ignore this directory or folder. So what I have to do here, just type here media, then slash means a directory. Again, if I check the status, it shows nothing. Let's make it clear. Status, hit enter. It's showing only the modified file because we modify our .gitignore. We add this folder name or file name. Yeah, sorry, directory name is here. That's why it's showing us our gitignorant is modified. So excuse me, this is our tutorial for our .gitignore and what is the usage and how it's useful. One more thing, if you want to make here, let's say you have a lot of log files and you want to ignore these files, what you have to do, just type a static .log. That's it. Type something like that. The all files which is contain .log, it will be not track, or it will be, these files will be ignored. So that's for this video tutorial.